Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back at it with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 1,160 in a row. Here we are on Cash App. This is the app that we use for this experiment. If you haven't signed up for this app, you can sign up with the link in the description, get $5 for free. So let's get right into this. Bitcoin current price $43,677, up about 0.6% today, down about 6% on the week, up about 3% on the month, and down about 25% on the year. You can see going sideways for a long time now. So in my balance, I have $4,137 worth of Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and scroll down here. That looks like a new feature there, get paid in Bitcoin and invest from direct deposits. So let's go ahead and tap on this. It says automatically invest a percentage from your direct deposits. Convert a percentage of each direct deposit into Bitcoin, adjust at any time. Start with as little as you like and then change the amount as you go. So this is like if you have a job and you're getting a check and you get your deposits into your Cash App account rather than some other bank, you can automatically convert a portion of that check into Bitcoin. So you can select a percentage here. That looks really cool. I don't have direct deposits set up, but definitely a nice new feature there. Bitcoin owned 0.09480281. Let's go ahead and look at the news here. Blockstream and Block Inc. to build solar Bitcoin mining facility powered by Tesla. That's pretty interesting actually. So Block owns Square, Cash App, this app that we're using right now. Same news here, which says it'll be in Texas. Same news there. Curve announces Bitcoin rewards program. So that seems to be all of the news today. Blockstream and Block Inc. Bitcoin mining powered by Tesla in Texas. I wonder if it's having any effect on the stock prices here. So we can see Tesla is down 1.4% today. Block is about dead even. So not really affecting the stock prices there on that news, but definitely something to look into. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my face. It's gonna give us our order details here and tap confirm. Just like that, we've added one more dollar of Bitcoin. Tap done. You can scroll down here, see my new balance is now 0.09482505. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $4,136 divided by 1,160 days equals a 3.56x on my investment. Doing very well there. What that means, every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $3.56. We can go ahead and do the gain on this as well. $4,136 minus 1,160 days equals a $2,976 gain. So you love to see that. In other news today, got this in, the Topps Chrome Spectra Charizard. You can check out my Pokemon card Instagram 100 Charizards if you want to see more of that. And we've got Syncronauts. Talk about this all the time. You can check out my previous videos, and now there's a sync playlist on my YouTube channel for all the videos that I've made. Floor price up to 1 ETH, and quite a big jump if you buy this one. So the next one would be like 1.4 ETH. Not many for sale. Doing very well. And the Neon Rain Marketplace is well underway. Currently it's April 8th. The last I heard was that it could be released like mid-April. Always tough with these timelines, so that would be so fast. So maybe watch out for like mid-end of April, something like that. Definitely check in on the Twitter Spaces every Monday to get the updates. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.